Welcome back, everybody. We are going to look at another example of finding the area under the curve using our calculator. So let's go back to the IQ score example that we looked at before, calculating this by hand. We're given that IQ scores are normally distributed with a mean of 110 and a standard deviation of 10. And we want to know what proportion of IQ scores are greater than 135 in this case. So 135 or greater, that 135 is going to be our lower level, lower limit, right? We want anything greater than 135. So let's pull up our calculator. Here, move this out of the way. So we've got our calculator up. So we can go back to second and vars, can hit number 2 for that normal CDF. And this time 135 is going to be our lower, right? We want anything greater than 135. So remember our normal distribution, it goes on and on and on forever to the right to positive infinity. So we're going to hit 1, the second button, and then the comma button up top is EE. That only gives us one E in the actual computer screen, which is fine. We're going to do 99. So this 1E, 99 is how your calculator interprets positive infinity. And then the population mean that we were given from the problem was 110. And the standard deviation we were given was 10. So now I've got everything entered in. This is going to give me the area really to the right of 135, right? Because I've put 135 as my lower, positive infinity as my upper, right? So from 135 to positive infinity, give me that area under the curve if I have a mean of 110 and a standard deviation of 10. So this is really nice in the calculator, right? We kind of have this flexibility where depending on the lower and upper numbers we put in, we can kind of tell the calculator, okay, give me the area under the curve to the left, right? If I want negative infinity to some upper level, right? If I want everything to the left of a number, I can get the area under the curve to the left, but I can also get the area under the curve to the right by plugging in that number, that x value of interest, going all the way up to positive infinity, right? So we don't have to take an extra step and subtract 1 from whatever the area under the curve is to the left, right? We can just directly calculate the area under the curve to the right in this way. So if we hit enter on paste and enter again, we see that only 0.0062%, right, of the IQ scores are greater than 135, or 0.62, yeah, 0.62% or 0.0062. And that would be the answer.